modern day day of doing way of doing things tondu to mwaka ndo macokanire muno gucokanagira nini akindu gitagwo logistics acio ngi mayekirwo
WhatsApp inde
yes ale twana kiario horo wa maadimini and what have you na matuli chara a gurufu na kuri andu matuika free offended ungi akumahe wira ucio yes
ni kuri andu mawenda kuri andu mawitheragia na kuri andu urituhagira
yes nona cio gurufu ici ri wina cio no ikire ikiro na nitwagwetia ni he amwe twetagirira gurufu ikinye haria ha simo
contribution ni wetagirira kwa lead mo
yes tondu he undu ngirora
utindeke njirongo yaku horeire
wone he gurufu ngirora wone andu ambere mbaũ ni mururia uria maruria uge weterere kinya haria ha lead mo nigetha wikie kiamere giaku horerete
githinekanio ku gatagati
yes na kora WhatsApp groups okay expect kwagi ondo you will be added sometimes with no invitation yes because they part and parcel no ko WhatsApp group na cio wikiragwo ugatwika surprise yes
ukamaka
okay ori adwajori niki mona
Niki boda hariwe
kwe magwikiraga for inclusivity purpose maigwe ni meka atia
maigwe ni magwikira
yes group urekirwo ukona namba cia mbere 10 the first 10 people ni maihura 1.5
ando 10 peke yake
yes no kona group yo ina participants 300 yes ugathie lead mo ukona ru kira jangi ithatu na
we ni we
yes
we
uthuna yori ni okay yes ukamenya weri capability yaku ri strength yaku hari gikingi wetungumanetie
we horithanetie
yes ugaite bia mabata
we horithanetie ugetigo tari kindu
yes ugatumana gikingi kiu ukona riu contribution yo ndina yukio ukarehe your ideas from the average groups
from Duraku groups
okay guys I'm suggesting we have a guest every day.
That is from Duraku groups.
He makes a contribution, then sisi wengine tunamsukumilia mia. I propose myself today. I'll give 3,000 and the rest to send me 100.
We are 400.
Mwajisia jiagoka sia.
What is he saying?
Sia maitho. Maitho manene. Guys, who is this guy? Nawere handu haguthoma
science.
Yes. Okay, see you we introduce. I am Jotham Bulu. Relative to the graduate from the mother's side. Ukona LOL LFMEU ukona kaya mojika atuoni ukamya kaoya what is this saying? And because you are still not reading the signs okay guys did anyone read my proposal? I am the guest. Admin. Admin typing. Yes. Admin typing. Oya si and where are reply? Kagwa. Guys, we shall move on with the logistics. Alfred, you had been given 700,000 for the tents. We shall also have Kate take care of the audiovisuals. We still move on with the plan to have, we'll not do carpooling. We want everyone to be in their own vehicle because of the convoy. We want a long convoy. So guys, I hope you're prepared. Charlene, you remember to call the media guys. We want some little coverage if possible. So guys, and Mahesh will be there. So that's it for now. That's okay. Guys, on NKT. One bold person na kenywa whiskey yake ya gorori. Akande kewa gorori atiri. Admin, this guy is a bother now.
Ilishoti arago okonywo.
Okonywo? Now you see you still don't read the signs of Kauga. We are all bothered by looking for money. It's not easy. Please buy a show of heart. So the ones who will support me as today's guest, maybe someone will volunteer tomorrow. Meta hero shuge. Okay, no shiri wakora. An admin removed you.
No longer participant.
Guys, time is not on our side. Which time? Well, some polite ones, probably you are their relative, they will be a little bit modest. Only admins.
Can say.
Ukame niwe katia.
Ne watu kunywa mugabo.
Niwe weheria munura. Ukaona admin. Wewe ndio ngozo au dhaki nuthugia. Alike mureka ngurufu.
Mara to higira reke botirenda twarie.
Atiri kamukabera cito iramurakaria. Uko andũ acio rĩ matiruta wĩra.
Mwetua muno hau mukiaria mathungu.
Athongo mana kodiaga mandu. Ye mokigwa na mokonjokeria ngiri yaku na ndie ndirareo.
Jikeria yo na nyua nyue.
Keria igekenge yakwa nyua nyue ngeherie ngi nyama-ini. Kero aca Jotham andũ acio matiĩkaga ũguo rĩu macokanirie milioni 3 rĩu kaũndũ kau ũrarehe no kamatange ndĩrakĩmatanga nĩkĩ
ngiri yakwa nĩ kũmũtanga ĩramũtanga
nĩ macũra mũrathura mbeca cia kamũkũnji nĩ iramũiria ngoro na cia kombo mũnyĩrĩ marakiraga ndeire saya njine kira niguo turekire turathukumira kamacu nginya karagura nduthi nowe andu acio ti maundu mao matiri hau he haria mari
thimu yo kirenga ri ikagia a few
tantrums. Guys, ukona huru alikawa athiri nani amepea huyu mic?
Like coming there when I wanted to.
Jordan